Welcome back, y'all. So I'm gonna do a quick video on how I do my lashes when I'm not able to get my individual lashes done or don't feel like doing them myself. So I start with my tweezers, and then I have my scissors that came with my kit. I also use the 30-second weave glue. And you just choose any type of strip lashes that you like. These are my favorite, whether I'm doing it the way I'm about to show you guys, or if I'm applying them the regular way. You may have seen this technique before, but I've been doing this for years and been meaning to do a video, but just decided to go ahead and get the video to you guys just to show you how I do it. So this is the strip lash right here. And what I'm doing is I'm cutting. There's a like a clear part of the strip on the end. I cut that part off, and then I cut them into individual pieces. Then I added my glue to the tray. And then what I'm going to do is just dip that lash. I'm going to dip the top part, not the bottom. And once I dip it, I am going to apply it to my lashes. And when I apply it, I'm just getting the glue on my lashes before I actually place it. And then I just want to make sure it's in there good. And I applied it as close to my lash line as possible. And I tried to get it so that you all could see it. I thought it was a perfect video until I actually started going through it. So I hope that you guys can actually see what I'm doing. And I just kind of use the end of my tweezers to just kind of place it on there, because when I use that, it just kind of keeps it from sticking. Yes, that first lash is looking good. Y'all see it, don't you? And the reason why I apply them under is because my lashes tend to curl. And so when I apply them on top, it's just kind of like they're sticking up. And so I apply them underneath to give them the more natural look, as well as to keep them, not curling up so much. And then right here, I'm just taking the tweezers and I'm just pressing that glue in to just keep them. And this usually lasts me about 1.5 weeks to 2 weeks. And when I am wanting to take them out, I use some type of oil. I usually like to use the cheese silk. That helps to remove them easily. And here on the other eye, I'm just doing the same thing that I did on my first eye. Oh, and how did I forget? Make sure you guys share, like, and subscribe to All Things with Tip to see more of my videos and to receive notifications. And don't mind my hair in this video. I'm actually doing another video right after this, so make sure you guys get subscribed so you can get a notification to check that video out too. And I'll try to also place it after this one once I post it so you guys can see it. But I love this lash look. On the first eye, I needed just a little bit more lashes, so I had some left over from this strip, so I cut a tiny piece off and I placed it on that first eye to just kind of even them out. But I really love how they look. They look very natural. But like I said, you can choose whatever strip lash that you like. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Hope that I was able to give you some tips. And I hope that you like the look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. You know what it is. Peace.